that salts come from an acid and a base producing salt and water. This is a neutralization reaction. We will have three types of salts. The first one will be the one that is dissociating the ions fully. So sodium and chlorine. Since we are producing sodium and chlorine, they will dissociate and they are not increasing the concentration of hydrogen or OHs. We have another type of salt, for example, CH3COONA. In this case, you know that this salt dissociates in the ion and sodium. Sodium is not affecting the concentration of hydrogen or OH, but this acid will dissociate in that way that is affecting the concentration of hydrogen or OH. CH3 negative plus water is producing the acid. So in this case, it's acting as a base, removing the proton of hydrogen, and water is losing one hydrogen, creating the OH ion. And this is the key part here. This OH ion is making that our pH will be higher than 7. We have another type of salt. We have a salt that it comes from a weak base and as a strong acid. This salt will dissociate in NH4 plus Cl negative. The Cl negative is not causing any effect in the pH, but NH4 will dissociate in water like this. In this case, NH4 is acting as an acid. That's why we will have NH3 plus H3O. And you know that H3O is the same as having H, meaning that is increasing the concentration of hydrogen ions, and our pH will be lower than 7. Now, we have a final case in which the salt comes from a weak acid and a weak base. For example, NH4, CO.